Hey, what's up, fam? Hey, we finna do this prank, sneeze prank, literally.
Yeah, sneeze prank. Oh crap! I forgot I have it.
No, before you man. The fuck, Vincent? With that shit.
This jumper. Shit. Oh my God. I know I'm about to die. Bro, stop!